Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to teach algebraic equations to fifth graders. So at the fifth grade level, it's the beginning of them learning equations. So while it might sound obvious to you, the first thing you want to emphasize is that an equation means that two sides are equal. So something as simple as 5 = 5 is an equation. What you want to emphasize to children is that in order to keep an equation true, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. So I'm going to show this to you without variables first. So for example, if I wanted to add 3 to the right side of the equation, now I have an 8 on the right side and a 5 on the left. So in order to keep this true, I'm going to have to also add a 3 on the left side. This way I get 8 = 8, which is true. So it's very important when you're first teaching equations to emphasize that what's on the left has to equal what's on the right. And if you do something to the left, like add 3, you have to also do it to the left side, add 3. So now we put the variables in. If I give you an equation like x - 4 = 10, your goal is to solve for x, to get it alone and find out what it is. So you want to get it alone. So you're going to teach the children to use inverse operations, or where you can first describe to them as opposites, to get x alone. So right now, next to the x, there's a -4. So you're going to teach the fifth graders that the opposite, or the inverse operation of -4 is +4. So we're going to do +4 right here, because that'll get rid of that 4. But again, if I did it to the left, I have to do it to the right. And it's important that you emphasize this very much in the beginning of them learning equations. So now my x is brought down. The -4 and the +4 cancel out, because -4 and +4 is 0, and 0 plus x is still just x. My equal sign comes down, and 10 + 4 = 14. So I've solved the equation. I have that x = 14. And then you want to always teach them to take their solution, substitute it into the equation to make sure they have something true. So when they plug the 14 into here, they'll get 14 - 4 is 10, which is true. So when you're teaching equations for the first time to a fifth grader, make sure to emphasize that the left side must equal the right side. It must stay balanced by doing whatever operation you do on one side to the other side. And when you're solving for a variable, you use what's called inverse operations, or the opposite. So if you want to get rid of subtraction, you do addition. If you want to get rid of multiplication, you do division, and so on. My name is Maria, and I just taught you how to do algebraic equations with fifth graders.